Good morning, my dear students. Let's start today's class with the exercise 1.4. It is based on properties of integers on division. First, evaluate each of the following. Minus 30 divided by 10. Minus divided by 10. Means how to solve it? Minus 30. I can write this in the fraction form. Means minus 30 is divided by what here? 10. 10, 30. Okay, take only numbers. Concentrate only with the numbers. Next, 10 3 is 30. The answer is 3. Here, the what minus sign it is. So, minus sign. Okay, here plus into minus, minus here. Means any, if minus sign or negative positive sign it is there, we can write that sign only. Okay, minus 3. Answer is what here? Minus 3. Next here, minus 36. Next I will write in divided in minus pi, divided by minus 9, writing in fraction form. Here concentrate only with numbers. 9 divided with 36. 9 4s 36. 0 remainder, and 9 4s 4 is the answer. Here minus minus cancel, so remain with what here? Positive plus 4. Next, before going to next problem, I have another important concept. It is BOD BOD mass. Here what it tells, BOD mass means bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. See student, when to apply this rule? It is a rule, it is a basic rule in mathematics, so keep it in mind. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction means if any problem is given, then first we have to take out from bracket numbers, and if it is division, go with first with the division, and multiplication, addition, subtraction. We have to follow this rule. Bracket we have to take the numbers, first we have to solve from the bracket numbers, and with that numbers, if they given division, multiplication, addition or subtraction, we have to go with the sequence order: division, after multiplication, after addition, after subtraction. This is an important rule. Let's go with fifth problem, that is E. What it tells, 13 divided bracket of minus 12 plus 5. See student, bracket things we have to take out first. Means bracket terms, which are they? Minus 2 and 1. Which are the two integers? Minus 2 and 1. Minus into plus, minus into plus, minus. 2 minus 1 is 1. Which is the greater number? 2. Which sign it has took? Minus 1. 13 divided minus 1. Okay, next write this problem in fraction form, that is 13 divided by minus 1. We can also take minus 13. I transfer this minus to upper side, that is minus 31. If denominator is 1, we can simply write minus 13. Minus 13 is the answer. Next, 0 divided by minus 12. 0 divided by minus 12 means 0 by 12 it is 0, and there is no sign for 0. Keep it as it is, simply 0. Dear students, when I divide 0 by any number means 1, 2, 3, 1000, any number, we answer it will be a 0. If any number divided by 0, the answer is not defined. not defined. We can't tell any exact answer. It is not defined. We have no value when any number divided by 0 means 10 divided by 0. We can't give any answer for this because it is undefined, not defined. And 0 by 0, this also not defined. We can't tell any answer for this question. 0 divided by 0, any number by 0, it is not defined. When 0 by any number is 0, 0 by 1000 is 0, 0 by lakh is 0, 0 by 1 is 0, so 0 by 12 is 0. We should not mention the sign here because 0 has no sign. The next question is minus 36 divided 12 and divided by 3. See students, first bracket terms we have to take out. Minus 36 divided by 12. I will write this form in fraction form and divided by 3 as it is. 12 ones are 12 threes are. So answer is 3 and minus sign there is minus. Divided by 3 again. The left term it is divided by 3. Again I will write in fraction form. Minus 3 divided by 3. Next 3 ones are 3 ones are. So answer is 1 and minus sign there it is minus. Okay. The answer is minus 1. So first we have to take out the bracket. We have to solve the bracket terms. Afterwards the remaining. Next. See here division. First bracket terms. Concentrate on bracket terms. I will solve this also and this also at a time. Minus 6 plus 5 they have given. Minus 6 plus 5. Minus into plus minus. 6 minus 5 1. Greater number 6. Which sign it has took? Minus. Division. Which sign it is? Division sign. Next here minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus into plus minus. 2 minus 1 1. Greater number minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1. Minus minus cancel. That remain with what here? 1. That remain with what here? 1. Because minus minus cancel and positive number we got. And these are the first main questions which I solved, and left problems we have to take as a homework. Next main, verify A divided of B plus C is not equal. Means equal sign, they given slash means it is not equal. Means RHS is not equal to LHS. So LHS is not equal to RHS. We have to prove now. A divided B plus A divided C for each of the following values of A and B and C. See students, they have given values of A and B. Now we have to verify. Verify means in last exercise I have told, means we have to prove LHS is and RHS. Means here they are telling we have to prove now LHS is not equal to RHS. But in previous exercise we have done LHS equals to RHS. We got here LHS equals to RHS. Equal sign. Now they are telling we should prove that it is not equals to LHS is not equals to RHS. Okay, let us solve first problem. They have given A, B, C values. According to that, according to the equation, this condition, we have to substitute the values. So in the place of A, I am going to write here 12 divided B plus C. B plus B means here minus 4 plus 2. This is about LHS. Let's solve first part, that is LHS. 12 bracket terms we have to take first. So we have to solve first. Minus 4 plus 2. Minus into plus minus. 4 minus 2 2, which is a greater number 4. Which sign it has took? Minus. Minus 2. Now I will write in fraction form, that is 12 by minus 2. We can also write this minus 12 by 2. This is also correct method. This minus can be transferred to the up if it is only one negative sign. to the denominator. Next here 2 1s are 2 6 are, and minus 6 is the answer to the LHS part. Okay, in RHS part, A divided by, in the place of A I am going to write here 12 divided B. This is LHS. Okay, and B, what they have given, minus 4. I will take here bracket. Next plus A divided by C, A 12 divided by 2. Okay, 12, this I will write in fraction form, 12 divided by minus 4. Next plus 12 divided by 2. See students, concentrate on numbers. 4 1s are, 4 3s are, means 3, one negative sign, so I am keeping here minus. The answer, last answer, it is minus 3, plus 2 1s are, 2 6 are, the answer is 6. Minus here, now we have to do minus into plus, minus 6 minus 3 3, greater number 6, which sign it is, plus sign, so plus 3, answer is plus 3. See, I got LHS minus 6 and RHS plus 3, they are equals to each other? No, they are not equals to each other. LHS is not equals to RHS. See students, by this program they are telling that distributive property division over addition is not valid, because we get a different in LHS part and RHS. They are going to tell distributive property division over addition is not valued. Why? Because LHS is not equals to, we won't get with any number LHS equals to RHS. So hence this is a conclusion from this question. And second problem is homework. Next minute is fill in the blanks. That is 369 is divided with what number? It is equals to 369. See, we have to fill this number. That answer we have to get 369. When we get 369, here when I divide with 1, 369 divided with 1, what we get again? 369 only. So 1 is the division identity, so we get same number. In properties of division I have mentioned 1 is the division of identity. So identity means it get the same number. What the given, again we get the same number. So when I divide with 1 to the 369, we get again 369. Next see here, next question, minus 206 is divided with what? We get 1 year. When I divide minus 200, I want now 1 year. With what number? Again minus 206. Minus 206 divided by minus 206. Minus minus cancel, means we get positive terms here. 206 ones are 206. The answer is what here? 1. So answer is 1. When I divide minus 206 divided with the minus 206, take care bracket, minus 206 equals to what here? 1. Next, now I want minus 87. With what number we have to divide 1? We have to divide, when we divide with the 1, we have to get here minus 87. When I divide again with the minus 87 divided by 1, we get what here? Minus 87 divided by 1. The answer is minus 87. Minus 87 divided with 1, we get again minus 87. Here they are telling 20 divided by x, we don't know here, equals to what here? Minus 2. The solution we have to get minus 2. When I get minus 2, when I divide 20 with minus 10, 20 with minus 10, 10 divided, 20 divided by, write in fraction form, you will get easy. 20 divided by minus 10. 10 ones are 10 twos are. Okay, minus and minus. So minus 2 is the solution. And these are the missing numbers in this section, and take it as this all homeworks. The next question is, write the 5 pairs of integers a, b such that a divided by b equals to minus 3. One such pair is 6 minus 2, because 6 divided by minus 2 is equals to what here? Minus 3. Dear students, they are telling we should follow this condition. Means we have to take 2 integers that we have to get minus 3. By taking any 2 integers, the answer we have to get minus 3 only. And they have given one example. When 6 divided by minus 2, what is the answer? Minus 3. See, this is an example for this condition. Now we have to make 5 pairs of integers. According to this example, observing this example, we have to take 5 more examples we have to give. Okay, let's start. Next, I will take the first 2 integers, that is 24 and minus 8. 24 and minus 8. I prefer 24 minus 8. See students, I will get minus 3 from this. My equals to 24 divided by minus 8. 24 divided by minus 8. Okay. 8 ones are 8 threes are. Okay. Next, minus it is there, minus again. So this, the pair of integer, it is correct. That this, what I took this integers, I got minus 3. This is the first example. Another 4 minus 12. Next it is minus 12. I will minus 12 and 4 I will take. Minus 4 and minus 4 and minus 12 also we can take. Minus 12 and 4 also we can take. Minus 12 divided by 4. Minus 12 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4 threes are 3. Minus sign, it is minus. Dear students, in division also we should not see any greater number sign. Just we have to multiply and keep it. Divide and keep it. Okay. Next, I will prefer 59 minus 5. 15 minus 5. Okay, right. 15 divided by minus 5. 15 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are. Okay, minus sign, it is minus 3. Again we got minus 3. See, shall I reverse it? Minus 15 comma 5. What is the answer? Minus 15 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 threes are, minus sign, minus 3. See students, these are the 4 pair of integers which I get minus 3 as a solution. And try another one. It is a homework to you. The next question it is, the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius above 0. If it is decreases at the rate 2 degrees Celsius per hour until the midnight, at what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below 0? What would be temperature at midnight? They asked first at 8 degrees Celsius, the time they asked. In next question, at midnight, what is the temperature? The first they are telling the initial temperature means above 0. Okay. After 12, afternoon, from afternoon 12 o'clock, the temperature was plus 10 degrees Celsius. Plus y means above 0 means it has positive. Means the 10 degrees Celsius took plus, above they have given, so plus 10 degrees Celsius. And they are telling plus 10 degrees Celsius is reducing, minus decreases means what here? Reducing minus 2 degrees Celsius per hour till midnight. Midnight means what here? At 12 o'clock. Night 12 o'clock. At what time would temperature be? And they are asking what is the time at minus the 8 degrees Celsius. At what time minus 8 degrees Celsius. Next, Here midnight means what would be at midnight, they asked. Midnight means at 12 o'clock. Okay, here midnight means 12. And what is the temperature at, what will be the temperature at midnight, they asked. See students, I have drawn here number line. First, the initial temperature is above 0 degree. Above the 0 means 10 degree. Above 0 means the 10 it has took plus 80 plus 10 degree Celsius. Means when it is at what time? Afternoon, 12 o'clock, afternoon, at 12 o'clock. Okay, I will write here 12. Next, plus 10 degree Celsius. And every hour it is reduced by what here? Every hour it is reduced by 2 degrees Celsius. So I written here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, reduced 2 degrees I have mentioned in the number line. Reduced to after 4, 6, 8. Next, until midnight we have until midnight. Midnight means at 12 o'clock p.m. Next, what would be the temperature at 8 degrees Celsius below 0? Below 0 means what will be the temperature at minus 8 degree Celsius. At 12 o'clock it is starting time, and 8 it will be 1 p.m. 6 1 p.m. 2 at 2 p.m. it is 3 p.m. 4 p.m. at 2 degrees Celsius. 4 p.m. it will be, and 0 at 5 o'clock it will be 0 degrees Celsius, and minus 2 degrees Celsius at 6 o'clock, minus 4 degrees Celsius at 7 o'clock, and 8 degrees Celsius is minus 6 degrees Celsius at 8 p.m. and minus 8 degrees Celsius at 9 p.m. Okay, see here, minus 8 degree at what time it will be? Minus 9 p.m. at 9 p.m. at 9 p.m. at 9 p.m. temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius below 0. Okay, at 9 o'clock minus 8 degrees Celsius will be. This is it is shown by in number line. Okay, let's see next question. What would be a temperature at midnight? Midnight means continue this part. I will write extend this 12, 14 like this. At 10 p.m. it shows what here? 10 minus 10 degrees Celsius. At 11 p.m. it shows minus 12. At 12 midnight it shows what degree? Minus 14. So temperature at midnight, therefore temperature at midnight will be 14 degree Celsius. Which 14 degree? Minus 14 degree Celsius below. When time taking more, it is getting reduced here by 2 degrees Celsius. So minus 14 degrees Celsius at 12 p.m. is, it is 12 p.m. is nothing but what here? Midnight. Okay, 12 a.m. sorry, a.m. the day will be start from 12 a.m. and this problem is done with the number line. I have showed through by number lines. Let's solve in mathematical. Mathematical is by using integer concept we can solve this. This is integer number line and we solve mathematical form. Next, that minus 14 degrees Celsius by number line we have written. According to mathematical form we also can do this. Temperature at 12 noon it is plus 10 degree Celsius, and change in temperature in 12 hours. In midnight they told in 12 hours it reduces per hour minus 2 degree Celsius within 12 midnight. Okay, next into you have to do into here. Minus 2 degree Celsius into 12, it is minus 24 degree Celsius. Minus 24 degree Celsius. Temperature at midpoint, that is we have to find out now. Temperature at starting point and plus change in temperature with a midnight. So 10 degree Celsius plus into minus 24. 10 minus 24, it is minus 14 degree Celsius. In this form also we can get the answer by integers method, and this is integer number line method by taking out from the number line. Any one method we can also follow it. Next question. In a class test, plus 3 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer and no marks for not attempting a question. They in school they kept a test, and the condition is when the correct answers they kept for plus 3. When they give incorrect answer, they are reduced by minus 2. If they not attempt, means here not attempt means they anything they didn't write, they are given as a 0 marks. If they written incorrect answer, it is reduced by minus 2 within the correct answer. Minus 2 is reduced, and marks is cutted by given correct answer, cut by given correct answer. See the first question. See, if one question is become right, they will give minus 3. If they do wrong, means wrong nothing but incorrect answer they written but it is wrong, they reduced by minus 2. And if they not written anything, means they give 0 marks. This is a condition. And first question, Radhika scored 20 marks if she got 12 correct answer. 12 correct answer. How many questions has she attempted incorrectly? See students, Radhika total marks she got 20. Total marks she got 20. If she got 12 correct answer, see when 12 correct answer, see 12, she got 12 answer correct, means she used to get for one correct answer 3 marks, means 12 she done correct, so 36 score here she has to get, but she got what here 20 score, 20 marks. Then we have to think here she given incorrect answer, so it is reduced in a correct answer. So the reduced in a correct given answer. She used to get 36 marks, but she got 20. 20 means how many questions she incorrected. Let's see. Radhika's score is 20. Marks obtained from correct answer is 12 into 3 is 36. Means 36. Total questions she corrected 12. And for each marks it is, for each question 3 marks. That is total score it is 36. But she got 20 because of giving incorrect answer. Marks obtained from incorrect answer, that is 20 minus 36, that is we get here minus 36. How many incorrect answers she done? From incorrect answer she reduced minus 16. Minus 16. 36 minus 20 is minus 16 marks she got reduced with the scored marks. So now how many to get to reduce minus 16 marks, how many she incorrected? Number of incorrect answers are minus 16 divided by 2. Minus minus cancel, 2 ones are 2, 8 means 8 questions she incorrected. So she lost 16 marks with the 36 marks. Okay, so she scored 20 marks. This is the solution for first in 6th one. Next same question is repeated. Mohini scores minus 5 marks in this test. In this test, though she has got 7 correct answers. How many questions has attempted incorrectly? Means they are telling Mohini scores minus 5 marks. She scored how many marks? Minus 5. So final score it is minus 5. Though she got 7 correct answers. 7 she done correct, but though she got what here? Minus 5. 7 correct answer means 7 3 is 21. For each question marks it is 3. She used to get 21, but she got what here? Minus 5. Because she done many incorrect answer, we have to think. She got minus 5. Final result is minus 5. She used to get 21, but she got minus 5. Means how many incorrect answers she has attempted. Let's see. Mohini's score it is minus 5. Marks obtained from correct answer it is 7 into 3 it is 21. Marks obtained from incorrect answer means we have to do minus here. Minus 5, that is final score minus obtained score. Minus 21 equals to what here? Minus 26. How many she done incorrect answer? Number of incorrect answers are minus total. Reduced marks. How many she reduced? By incorrect minus 26 divided by 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 ones are 2 13s. See students, the 13 is the incorrect answer. She only attempt correct answer she given 7, but she given incorrect answers 13. So she got minus marks in minus. This is about the 6th solution. It is important problems, so go through it. The next question. The elevator decides into a main shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. If descent starts from 10 meter above the ground level, how long will it take to reach? Students, elevator is nothing but a lift. A lift is going to the mine shaft. Means it moving down from above 10 meter. The lift is above the ground level. It is above the ground level and it is moving down to reach 350 meter to the mine shaft. So what they are asking, how long it will take to reach minus 350 meter. Means it want to reach minus 350 meter, means it want to reach mine shaft ground level. Under how much time to take to reach this they are asking. So the starting height of the elevator it is above the ground, that is 10 meter. Final depth it is minus 350. Final last of the elevator. Next total distance it is, see, it is moving down. It is moving down. We have to take here minus 10. And total distance it is covered. We have to see now. Minus 10 plus minus 350. Okay. Total distance is how much it covered year to year. Above ground level and below ground level. How much it is covered? Minus 360 meter. Minus 10 plus minus of 350. It is gives minus 360 meter. Then they asked what is the time taken. What is the time taken? See, they have given here speed of the elevator, means speed of the lift. Per minute how much it travel? 6 meter. Per minute means 6 meter per minute we have to read. Per minute it takes 6 meter. What about minus 360 meter? Minus 6 meter is equals to 1 minute it travel. In 1 minute it travel how much? Minus 6 meter. What about minus 360 meter? That is, we have to do cross multiplication. Minus 6x equals to 1 into 360. X is equals to minus minus cancel. 6 ones are 6 60s are. Okay. Next 60 minutes we got. 60 minutes they asked how long it will take. Means I converted here minutes into hours. 60 minutes is nothing but what here? 1 hour. 1 hour. it take to reach 350 meter. How much time? 1 hour. 1 hour time. And this is a solution for last question. Dear students, this is a completion of integers chapter. Thank you.